Hi, I'm Ed. I teach mathematics at the high school and university level. So, the last few years I've been working in industry, but frankly, mathematics has been calling to me. So, here I see an opportunity to help some new students understand things in the way that I first understood them, in a way which hopefully not only lets them pass their classes, but motivates some curiosity and some inspiration to explore math further down the road. I appreciate that mathematics is not for everybody, and you're not necessarily going to love math, even if our tutoring sessions are helpful for you. But at the very least, maybe we can make math a little bit less unpleasant all around. Every person sees the world differently. Every person who has taken a course in integral calculus or linear algebra or basic high school mathematics has taken the same course, but they've heard the words differently. They've understood it differently in the context of their mind. I think as human beings, it's generally difficult to understand what another human being is thinking. But with mathematics, this is one of the few areas in life where we can almost be sure that our understanding is shared with the person that we're talking with. If I talk of the circle in the plane with radius 1 centered on 1, 1, and I communicate that to you, you and I are almost certainly thinking of the same thing. I don't believe that there are mathematics students who simply have no aptitude. I believe that there were a lot of mathematics instructors in this world who may have put students off of learning mathematics because of the way in which it was taught. But I genuinely believe that whether you're a very strong student and you can look forward from this unit to the next, say, oh, we've been studying sequences. I wonder if series might come up next and how series relate to sequences. Or perhaps you're a student for whom the day the topic of sequences starts, you think, this is a brand new thing. I've never seen a sequence or a series before in my life. I don't know how to connect it. I don't believe that anybody sitting in a mathematics class can't take one or two things about that class that they understand very well. And that's all that's needed. If you come out of high school and all you understand is the quadratic formula, I can build on that. It may take more or less time to bring you to where you want to be, depending on the level of your understanding, of course, the level of your willingness to engage. But ultimately, I think everybody can get there.